The two microphones on the back of your hearing aid are each protected by a microphone filter. To change a microphone filter, you will need your case of microphone filter tools. Open the filter tool case and take out one of the filter tools. Insert the removal tip into the used filter. Pull the filter tool straight out. Insert the other end of the filter tool, the end with the new filter, into the microphone opening. Gently press the new filter straight into the microphone opening and pull out the filter tool.